Well, this is the principle of shade tree engineering and the fact that I believe that every individual is a sole proprietorship. Now, in your business, you could write this off as an asset. It's still worth $20 at a garage sale. Only it cost me close to $200 maybe. Okay, and its flaw at the moment is this itty bitty pin. That little silver rivet that comes around. Now, to repair this $180 tool, I can go to Ace Hardware and probably have to buy the little roll pin or fix the rivet because the other side has snapped off. But rather than throw this away at the price of steel, which is $1,800 a ton, under a penny a pound, I could fix it for 16 cents and it'll do everything a brand new one does. And so in my business, I'm going to repair it.